Hi guys, good morning. This is a quick morning activity which I've planned for Vivan, and these are basically the simple words now which you can start using, and when we talk to him we tell him. And I think it's much better to do a practical experience for such words because we use them almost every day and maybe multiple times in one day. So what I've done, I've taken his blocks, his building blocks, and I've used them as the props to learn the words. Like this is foot of a bridge, and I've written under here, and I'm just trying to help the turtle walk under the bridge. So I will tell him that the turtle is trying to walk under the bridge like this. And then we have an owl which is sitting on top of a rectangular, a green square. So he will see the owl is sitting on top. And now we have behind, which is a orange cylinder, and there are these two markers which I've kept behind, and I'll tell him to remove this and then see. So maybe it will be a little peekaboo activity as well at the same time when we're doing behind. Then in between, so I have these two rectangular red blocks, and I'm using this small little cup. I've put the cup in between the rectangular blocks, and I'll tell him the meaning and the concept of in between. Then we have this yellow car which is parked right in front of the blue triangle, and I think this one will be an interesting one for him because he sees a lot of cars which are parked outside the door or in front of the gate. So I think that's why I've used the car to show him in front. Now we have the right hand side. So again I've used this triangle, and I've kept the scooter, little scooter here, a keychain scooter, on the right hand side for him to understand. So at the same time he'll try and use his right hand to see what if it's a left hand or a right hand, and then the last one is the left hand side, and I've used these two markers again which are kept on the left hand side of this rectangular block. I'll try and do it with him maybe twice today, because if I've introduced these words, he uses the words he knows under, but he's not too sure. He gets confused a lot of times. So I think this will be a nice way to tell him the different words and their meanings. And I'll surely try and record if he'll understand and if he'll try and tell me what it is. Bye guys. See you. Take care.